friends, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, then welcome back to my channel. So today I need to groom my brows, and I thought I'd just do a little tutorial for it, show you how I like to groom them, and that's it. So yeah. So first I got this little Japonesque eyebrow kit kind of thing, and it comes with, it's like a travel eyebrow kit. It comes with a spoolie and a brush, which are difficult to use because they're so tiny. And it also comes with this little mini Japonesque palette, which has an eyebrow wax and a light and a dark powder brow. And then it also comes with a few stencils, 3 stencils. A modern arch, a light arch, and a natural arch. And I was looking at it with my eyebrows, and I'm most like a natural arch, and that's how I like my brows. So, and then it also comes with a pair of tweezers. So first I like to trim my eyebrows because they like to grow nice and long and unruly, and I don't like them to be unruly. First what I do is take a spoolie brush, and I'm just using this one on the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil, and I just brush it outward first. So I brush it outward first and then brush it up. And then any hairs that are above the brow shape can be trimmed because they're way too long. And then I'm going to take my scissors, they're from Tweezerman, and just snip those brow hairs off. And then I'm also going to brush them with the spoolie downward, and just to see if there's any that are still too long. And then I usually brush it out to see what it looks like. And you might not want to trim your brows if you don't like wearing lots of eyebrow products, but I don't like my natural brows. They usually get unruly throughout the day, so I pretty much always, if I'm wearing makeup, put on a brow product, so this sparseness doesn't really bother me. Are you contributing to the video, team? So then just the same thing on the other brow. So I'm going to take the darkest eyeliner pencil I have and the stencil. I'm just going to mark it a shade darker than my eyebrows, so that when I go to tweeze them, I still keep the shape pretty perfect. I'm gonna take the natural arch stencil and just go ahead and hold it over my brow. You don't really want your eyebrow to start any further in than the inner corner of your eye. Once I have it lined up on my eyebrow, I'm just gonna draw the eyebrow on with the liquid liner. We're just gonna go ahead and tweeze whatever is not black. other side, but I'm gonna leave the black eyeliner on just so that I can compare the two before I start tweezing and make sure that they are even and the way I want them to look. Sorry if you hear my son's toy in the background. He's jamming with Bebo right now. And just take the stencil off. We're gonna do the same thing where we tweeze off anything that doesn't fall within that black. We're just gonna take off the black eyeliner. I'm just gonna go wash my face. I have nothing on my face right now, so I can just go wash it. And then check out our works. Okay, so I've washed off all of the eyeliner off my eyebrows, and you can see like a few places where my eyebrows just grow really sparsely. Like on this brow, the stencil actually matched the eyebrow really well. And then on this side, there's like some sparseness up here, and over here definitely doesn't grow as much. Yeah, so this is the finished look, and then I just brush them out. And then I'm gonna put some brow product on, of course, but here's the finished, whatever, here's the finished look. It just feels like so much cleaner, and you feel super fresh after tweezing your brows and grooming them. Thanks for watching my video. Like it if you liked it, comment if you've got something to tell me, and subscribe if you really enjoyed it and would like to see more videos. And I will see you in the next one, friends. Bye!